Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Target 98 Plus. I hope you all are utilizing the time you have got during this lockdown period. Friends, you can prepare GK static portion with the help of our Brahmastra GK series in which we discuss 20 questions from previous year papers, and friends, you have to give just 10 minutes every day and you will find that you have really improved your preparation of general awareness. First of all, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Target 98 Plus. So let's start our video. Here we are. Question number 1. Which of the following is called ecological heat of India? And the options are A. Western Ghats, B. Eastern Ghats, C. Western Himalaya and D. Eastern Himalaya. Right option is A. Western Ghats. Friends, ecological hotspots are areas where there are variety of biodiversity is found, but they are getting extinct. Biodiversity means varieties of life like plants, animals and birds. So basically those areas which have variety of species as well as these areas are threatened by human activities are called ecological heat. And ecological heat of India is Western Ghats. Next question. When was the famous Battle of Talikota fought? Options are A. 1565 AD, B. 1575 AD, option C. 1585 AD, option D. 1570 AD. And the right option is option A. 1565 AD. Friends, the Battle of Talikota fought between Vijayanagar Empire and an alliance of Deccan Sultanates. It took place at Talikota, today a town in northern Karnataka. Next question. Who was the first foreign person to receive Bharat Ratna Award? I am repeating the question. Who was the first foreign person to receive Bharat Ratna Award? And the options are A. Dalai Lama, option B. Annie Besant, option C. Nelson Mandela and option D. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. And the right option is option D. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Friends, in 1987, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan got Bharat Ratna Award. He was also known as Frontier Gandhi. He fought for India's independence. That's why he got Bharat Ratna Award. Next question. Who was the author of the novel The White Tiger? Who was the author of the novel The White Tiger? And the options are Arundhati Roy, Arvind Adiga, V.S. Naipaul or Kiran Desai. And the right option is option B, Arvind Adiga. Friends, The White Tiger is the debut novel by Indian author Arvind Adiga. It was first published in 2008 and won the 40th Man Booker Prize in the same year. Next. Which of the following awards is given for outstanding performance in sports? Options are A. Bharat Ratna, B. Arjun Award, option C. Padma Shri Award or option D. Dronacharya Award. Can you guess the option? The right option is B. Arjun Award. Arjun Award is given for outstanding performance in sports. Next question. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly of India? Options are A. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, option B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option C. Dr. B. N. Rao or option D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And the right option is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the President of the Constituent Assembly of India. Next. Which of the following rivers doesn't form delta in India? Options are A. Ganges, B. Godavari, option C. Mahanadi or option D. Tapti. And the right option is option D. Tapti. First of all, what is a delta? A delta is an area of low, flat and land shaped like a triangle, where a river splits and spread into several branches before entering the sea. Next question. Which of the following articles of the Constitution deals with fundamental duties? Which of the following articles of the Constitution deals with fundamental duties? And the options are: option A, Article 39C, option B, Article 51A, option C, Article 29B, or option D, none of the above. And the right option is option B, Article 51A. Friends, fundamental duties are given in the Article 51A, whereas Article 12 to 35 deal with the fundamental rights. You can mention this point. Article 12 to 35 deal with the fundamental rights, whereas fundamental duties are given in Article 51A. Both these points are really very important. Next question. Question: Raniganj in West Bengal is related to what? And the options are: A, from coal fields, option B, from iron ore, option C, from manganese, or option D, copper. And the right option is A, from coal fields. Raniganj is related to coal fields. Next question. Which of the following hydroelectric projects is not in Tamil Nadu? And the options are: A, Idukki, option B, Oliyar, option C, Periyar, or option D, Kunda. And the right option is Idukki. Idukki hydroelectric project is not in Tamil Nadu. Next question. Who among the following is called Napoleon of India because of his victories? I am repeating. Who among the following is called Napoleon of India because of his histories? I am sure you are aware about it. Options are: A, to Skandgupt, option B, to Chandragupt, option C, to Brahmgupt, or option D, Samudragupt. And the right option is option D, Samudragupt. Samudragupt was a ruler of Gupta Empire of ancient India, and he was considered as Napoleon of India. Next question. Which hill station is called Queen of Satpura? Options are: A, Panchmadhi, B, Nilgiri, C, Mahendragiri, or D, Kordamam. And the right option is A, Panchmadhi. Friends, the Satpura range is a range of hills in central India. And Panchmadhi is called Queen of Satpura. Next question. The Yellow Revolution in India is related to what? Options are: A, with paddy production, B, with the production of oilseeds, C, with the production of tea, or option D, with the production of flowers. And the Yellow Revolution in India is related to option B, with the production of oilseeds. And you know that White Revolution is related to milk. Yellow Revolution is related with the production of oilseeds, whereas Blue Revolution with production of fishes. There are three important revolutions: white to milk, yellow to oilseeds, and blue to production of fishes. Next question. Currently, which of the following produces the maximum production of crude petroleum in India? Options are: A, Assam, B, Gujarat, C, Mumbai High, or D, coastal Tamil Nadu. And the right option is option C, Mumbai High. Mumbai High produces the maximum production of crude petroleum in India. Next question. Who held the office of Vice President of India for 2 full terms? And the options are: A, S. Radhakrishnan, B, V.V. Giri, option C, B.D. Jatti, and option D, M. Hidayatullah. And the right option is option A, S. Radhakrishnan. Friends, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India, serving 1952 to 1962, and he became second President of India in the year 1962 to 1967. And you know that Teachers Day is celebrated marks his birthday. Next, which is the longest continental railway in the world? And the options are A. Canadian Pacific Railway, B. Trans-Siberian Railway, C. Transatlantic Railway, and D. Canadian National Railway. And the right option is option B. Trans-Siberian Railway. Next question. Who was the first person to posthumously receive the title of Bharat Ratna? Options are A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. K. Kamraj, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, and option D. M.G. Ramchandran. And the right option is option C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri got Bharat Ratna in the year 1966. He was the second Prime Minister of India. Next, what is the Mediterranean Sea Lighthouse? Repeating the question, what is a Mediterranean Sea Lighthouse? And the options are A. Sicily's Stromboli, option B. Mount Yellow of West Archipelago, option C. Paracutin of Mexico, and option D. Vesuvius of Italy. And the right option is option A. Sicily's Stromboli is a Mediterranean sea lighthouse. Next, which of the following countries has the longest sight tunnel? Options are A. Spain, B. Switzerland, C. Germany, and D. France. And the right option is B. Switzerland. Switzerland has the longest sight tunnel. Next, which country's national animal is sacred cow? And the options are A. Nepal, B. Indonesia, C. India, and D. Bhutan. And the right option is A. Nepal. Thank you friends for watching this video.